Welcome back to the workshop, where history gets a second chance. Whew. This 1980s Peterbilt 379 was once the king of the road, but 40 years in the mud have nearly claimed it.
The forgotten giant.
The once mighty Peterbilt, now just a rusted relic surrendered to the sands of time.
Once the pride of the open road, this Peterbilt 379 now yields to the relentless advance of the desert and time.
Sunk halfway into the unforgiving earth, these massive tires bear the weight of a legend, now resigned to the elements.
Beneath the soot and rust, the legend of the Peterbilt endures. A ghost on the
Hook is clear. Bring it down another 10 feet.
This macro perspective reveals the sheer power required to move such a heavy load.
The harsh light reveals the extent of the decay. The reflector is heavily tarnished.
Time may wear away the chrome and rust the paint, but the legacy of a Peterbilt, the spirit of the open road, that never fades.
Keep hitting that axle. We got to get it clear.
The compressor roars to life, generating the power needed for the job site. A stark contrast to the silent strength of the Peterbilt.
Keep the pressure on. Easy now. She's starting to move. Hold the line. Hold the line. It's moving. It's actually moving.
The Peterbilt hadn't moved in 40 years. Getting her out was proving to be as difficult as they feared.
After years of sitting idle, the old Peterbilt finally stretches its legs. The torque alone is enough to twist the frame. The Peterbilt 379, a classic workhorse, pushes through the muck, revealing the scars of a life hard-lived.
Hold the line.
Give it more power, slowly now.
All right, set the ramps down right there. Looks good. I'm lined up.
With a gross vehicle weight rating exceeding 80,000 pounds, the ascent is a delicate balance of power and precision.
Yeah, we got the load secured. Copy that. Bring it in slow. Lots of mud on this grade.
Securing a heavy load like this Peterbilt requires extreme tension. The ratchet strap bites into the axle, compressing the tire for transit.
Once known as the ghost of the highway, the legendary Peterbilt 379 finally leaves its resting place.
Okay, bring it back easy. You got about 2 feet to the line. All right, hold it there.
Caked in years of desert grime, this Peterbilt 379 is finally getting its first taste of water.
This Peterbilt 379 had years of built-up oxidation. But with the right pressure and technique, we can reveal the mirror finish underneath.
Decades of dirt are finally being cleared. Underneath all this sand, we're finding the original black rubber, good as new.
The impact wrench is earning its keep here. Look at those sparks fly as the threads finally give way.
Heave.
Okay, bring it down slow.
Whew.
Coming up slow, clear, take it to the right.
Copy that. Steady right. Bringing it down to the mounts.
Watch that wiring harness on your side.
Got it. Are you ready for the crane now?
Hold it right there. Watch the clearance on the firewall.
Looks tight, but we're clear. Keep going up.
As the transmission separates from the 379, the old gear oil reveals years of wear, creating this distinct.
Okay, lift it slow. Watch the clearance on the passenger side.
Got it. Coming up now. Clear on this side.
See that rust right there? That's why we don't skip maintenance on these old 379s.
Here we see the mechanic attempting to free the heavily corroded drum using a heavy hammer.
This is where the real work begins. We strip the cab down to the bare metal, revealing years of wear and that pervasive surface rust. The separation reveals the hidden truth behind the seal. Years of exposure have turned the metal into little more than oxidized flakes.
To restore this classic Peterbilt, we first have to strip away decades of rust and grime. The backbone of the Peterbilt 379, the frame rails are meticulously inspected for alignment and structural integrity. The wet gray primer flows smoothly, filling the microscopic pits in the Peterbilt frame, creating a uniform protective surface. Using a professional-grade degreaser on this Peterbilt 379 allows the thick black grease to simply melt away.
We're carefully pulling the piston out now. You want to avoid scratching the cylinder wall on the way up.
The honing tool spins rapidly, creating the critical crosshatch pattern essential for oil retention in the Peterbilt 370s. To achieve the ultra-realistic mirror finish you see here, the massive crankshaft is rotated at high speed while
We're installing the new red gasket onto the Peterbilt 379 engine block now. Alignment is critical for a tight seal.
The final descent requires absolute precision. Once seated, the head completes the seal on this classic Peterbilt engine. Every bolt on the 379's engine must meet the exact specifications, ensuring peak performance.
We completely disassembled the Peterbilt 379, applying this brilliant metallic silver and deep black finish. It's truly a masterpiece.
The injector slides precisely into the bore. Once fully seated, the mounting bolt is secured using a calibrated torque wrench.
To achieve that ultra-realistic finish on the Peterbilt, we carefully track the spreader, applying the gray filler in one smooth, seamless pass.
And as the dust falls away, you can see the flawless contour of the cabin starting to emerge.
Did you get the seal on the passenger side?
Almost, just need to secure this edge right here.
This isn't just paint, it's a liquid mirror. The deep red gloss of the Peterbilt 379, fresh from the spray guns. The final stage, the clear coat reveal. This is where the magic happens, transforming the vibrant red into a deep, mirror-like finish.
This is where the hours of prep work pay off. A perfect line on the Peterbilt 379.
Bring it down easy, watch the clearance.
Pin is lined up, boss.
All right, lock it down. Pass me the impact wrench.
The key to a reliable air system is meticulous routing, ensuring these lines are secure against the chassis. The final bolt is secured, ensuring the Peterbilt's braking system is restored to peak performance.
This buffer is key to achieving that mirror finish. You can see the compound disappear as the shine emerges.
All right, hit the front bracket next. Make sure it's snug before we move to the back. Now we align the drive shaft to the differential. Once the splines are engaged, we use the pneumatic torque wrench to secure the bolts.
With the radiator seated, the next step is connecting the new silicone hoses and tightening these clamps to the engine block. A clean install is essential for the Peterbilt 379. We meticulously route the new wiring harness, securing it tightly against the firewall.
Sample is on per level spot and tower type. I change sample was on that hot.
Okay, the primary gauges are sweeping now.
Looks good. Check the oil pressure readout. We bolt the polished chrome column in place first. Then it's time for the classic 3-spoke wheel. All right, easy now. Watch the console.
Got it. Okay, hit the last one.
Perfect, looks good.
Aligning the panel takes a steady hand. Listen to that satisfying click as the fasteners engage, securing the leather flush against the door.
Okay, easy now. Tilt your side down.
Got it. Looks aligned on the bottom.
Perfect. Set it in. Securing the final screw on the chrome bezel. And just like that, the Peterbilt has a brand new set of eyes, ready for the open road. Okay, easy now. A little to the left.
Perfect fit. Looks amazing.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the grill.
Got it. Looks aligned on this side.
Hit me with the wrench. Perfect. Tighten the top bracket.
It's secure now.
All right, let's check the alignment one last time.
Securing the mud flap is crucial for road safety. We use an impact wrench to ensure these bolts are torqued precisely.
Maintaining the fifth wheel is crucial for safety and performance. This fresh layer of grease ensures the Peterbilt 379 is ready for the long haul.
As the ignition engages, the instrument panel performs a full diagnostic sweep, ensuring all systems are online before the engine cranks.
In the quiet of the shop, the amber and white lights of this customized Peterbilt create a stunning visual display.
The Peterbilt 379, a classic design brought into the modern era with these powerful LED upgrades.
This final coat of wax creates that impossibly deep, wet look shine the Peterbilt is known for.
And here she is, rolling out for the very first time. Look at that shine.
A fully restored icon, the legendary Peterbilt 379 takes to the asphalt once more, beginning its first drive in ultra-realistic 4K. The Peterbilt 379, an icon of the American highway, captured here in stunning detail as it carves through the morning dew.
The classic Peterbilt 379, a symbol of American trucking, merges seamlessly into the flow of modern traffic. The Peterbilt 379, a symbol of American trucking, dominates the endless desert highways. Experience the shine, the power, the absolute perfection of the Peterbilt 379. The legendary Peterbilt, back in its true home, the undisputed king of the desert highways. Built for the long haul, this machine delivers steady, unstoppable power, conquering even the toughest terrain.
Road slick, heading towards the city. Watch your backside.
In the heart of the city, the Peterbilt 379 reigns supreme, a testament to power and design.
Emerging from the darkness, the journey continues into the light.
After thousands of hours of work, we are proud to present the final reveal of this classic Peterbilt 379.
Instant. Captured in stunning 4K detail, the Peterbilt 379 remains the undisputed king of the highway.
Every curve of this chrome swan speaks to the meticulous craftsmanship of the restoration. When you're on the road for weeks at a time, this kind of luxury isn't just a preference, it's a necessity.
This is where raw power meets precision engineering. The glossy black frame and immaculate suspension Welcome inside. Here, the road meets refinement. Every inch of this custom cabin, from the polished...
As the sun sets, the iconic amber lights of the 379 come alive, signaling the start of another journey.
Look closely at the seamless welds and the mirror finish of this chrome stack. It's a testament to precision engineering. In the world of heavy haulage, the Peterbilt 379 stands alone. This immaculate engine bay is a
The truck is a tiny, gleaming point of light on the vast landscape, a symbol of endurance and rebirth.
Restoring this red Peterbilt 379 was a journey of a lifetime, and I'm glad you were here to see it.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next resurrection.